HR retainer for small business? I'm sure you think nagastos lang yan. Yan din ang akala ko noon eh. Kaya dahan-dahan akong nag-aral tungkol sa HR. Nag-enroll ako sa mga maraming courses sa UP Soler. Ang laki ng ginastos ko sa plane fare at saka sa accommodation. Mas malaki pala ang nagastos ko sa pag-implement dito dahil by trial and error. Malaki ang nawala sa amin dahil sa wrong hires. Sayang ang sweldo na ibinayad namin. Tapos hindi naman pala nila kayang gawin yung mga dapat namin gawin. Ang dami din na oras na nasayang sa pag-train sa mga wrong hires na to. Tapos mawawala lang sila at magre-resign in just a few months. Kaya looking back, it would have been cheaper if I had an HR retainer. Kasi she is someone who has a team to do many of the things that you need to do. If you get the right HR professional, all you need to do is to pay an agreed on engagement fee para matrain ka about the basic HR tasks na kailangan mo. And then, a monthly retainer fee lang for her team to do what you want them to do. Hindi mo na kailangan gawin yun at hindi mo na rin kailangan mag-hire ng HR personnel. This is a cheaper and time-saving solution for small business owners like us. When we are free from boring and routinary tasks, mas may time na tayo to strategize and to grow our business, right?